over here you can see that the one video that is on the top of the playlist is shown as the thumbnail for that particular playlist. If I were to go around and keep this video on the top, then you can see that particular video thumbnail will become the playlist thumbnail over here, and then this is what you see. You can see that even the playlist color changes to the thumbnail color, as you can see right here. But what if you want to set, let's say, another video like this third video as a thumbnail for the playlist? In that case, you can go around, click on the three dot button right here, and then once you do that, you can go around and set as playlist thumbnail, as you can see by clicking on it. And once you do that, you can see that this is what you have. You can see that the video, no matter the order in the playlist, it becomes the thumbnail just like this. And then what happens is that the color of the playlist changes accordingly for that as well. And that is how you can set playlist thumbnail by choosing any video that you have uploaded and is in the playlist as you want. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.